Good day, members of the virtual head table, members of the MIC IT Board of Directors, MIC IT Executive Management, Management Team, staff, invited guests, and you, our trainees. Today marks a very historic day for us at MIC IT. As we adjust to the new normal, we are having our orientation virtually. Wow, who would have predicted this? As we forge our way forward into this new year of training, please understand it is not business as usual. Having said that, we need to understand the changes COVID-19 led us to make to ensure teaching and learning is continued and of paramount importance, taking into consideration your health and safety. As we move forward also, I urge you all to continue to adhere to the wisdom of your instructors and rest assured you will be successful. The way of teaching and learning will be different indeed. And of course, it goes without saying it will be exciting since it is the age of technology. And these days, it goes without saying that everyone is a techie. Everyone has a smartphone for the most part. I would also like to thank all training instructors, the teacher training department, the IT department, training executive, and the management team in the training department, and all others for their efforts in ensuring that today is a success. Thank you very much, my fellow colleagues. Our trainees definitely will be given a grand opportunity here. And trainees, as we move forward into the new normal, this statement has been worn off right now, but get accustomed to it. As we move into the new normal, the teaching and learning environment, please note the baton is in your hands now because we have made this possible. Therefore, please make your mark. God bless and continue to stay safe.